Hi friends, I'm Danny Dino. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's time. Let's clean today. Danny Dino shows the way. Toys on floor and books on bed, let's put them back where they're fed. Blocks in box and cars in line make our little room look fine. Clean up, clean up, everybody now. Pick it up, we know how. Clean up, clean up, nice and slow. Watch our happy room just glow. Teddy bears and coloring books, back to shelves and cozy nooks. Shoes by door and bag on hook, put away each little look. Clean up, everybody now. Pick it up, we know how. Clean up, nice and slow. Watch our happy room just glow.
1, 2, 3, let's see.
Clean together, you and me.
Big and small, we help today.
Hip hooray!
We're on our way.
Thank you, friends, for helping too. Danny Dino's proud of you. Room is shiny, bright and neat. Cleaning time is super sweet. Clean up, job well done.
Cleaning time
Is lots of fun. Clean up, we all say. Great big hugs!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Good job, friends, you did so great.
Clean and happy.
Celebrate! Subscribe for more fun!